Big gains today in the stock index portfolio. Short side SR CounterTrend 2. We captured all the SR CounterTrend 2s went short and hit their profit targets today. So huge upside in this portfolio. You see SR CounterTrend 2 E-mini S&P got short, hit its profit target of plus 800. SR CounterTrend 2 E-mini Nasdaq got short. There was a manufacturing report that came out. Highly disappointed in the manufacturing results, dropping to lowest levels. We had that earlier this week as well, another bad report. But now the market has dropped to a point where it's decided to rally based on expectations of rate cuts. So it's reversed its course, always finding a way to rally. Interesting price action. And you see the SR CounterTrend 2, the V2 1 minute hit its profit target. Had a lot more room to the downside. You could have gotten a lot of negative slippage on that like we did in the collective 2 account. And then you see the SR CounterTrend 2 E-mini Nasdaq and SR CounterTrend 2. This is the 5 minute, V2 5 minute, E-mini S&P, V2 5 minute, E-mini Nasdaq hit its profit target. These are all $575 profit targets. They all got in. It was a big position right before a news event. And it was on the right side of that news event, plus 575. And these are the 15-minute versions. And so you see that here. And so you have the SR CounterTrend 2 V2M 1 minute version hit its profit target. The 1 minute V2M for the E-mini Nasdaq hit its profit target. The V2M 5 minute for the E-mini S&P has profit target. So it was a nice result all the way around on the short side and hit that profit target. Could have been a much bigger profit target. And I got some negative slippage, which went in my favor. Got out at much better prices. I was executing these manually in the collective 2 account and got over twice the profits because I was manually executing, and it went in my direction quickly before I could manually execute. And so NQ or ES, this is the NQ actually, V2M 5 minute. So you see all these 575 profit targets on SR CounterTrend 2. AT is not trading today. That daily P&L is showing up, but that's inaccurate. It's not trading today. Adaptive moving average started out on the short side, flipped to the long side. This is what this is right now, plus 225 on the long side. And Night Trader was stopped out. So stopped out near the lows. We have a pretty big stop on this, and it just so happened to get to our stop and then rebound. So that's it would have hit our profit target by now had it still been in the trade, because we have a 14-point profit target. Had our stop been a little bit bigger, it would have rebounded and hit our profit target to 29.01. It hit 29.0125, and so that's one of the extremes and one of the things that can make you frustrated when you trade, to see that scenario. Just a little bit bigger profit target. QS3 stopped out. And so the long trades were stopped out, minus 725 and minus 1525 on the longs. But then you had a lot of short trades that did well. Adaptive moving average, the short trade here was not profitable because we just leave this one open till the end of the day or reverse. And so we look to catch big runners in adaptive moving average and have recently captured some big runners. But today we've reversed. The market says, oh, now we've got so much bad news, the Fed's going to cut rates. So let's rally on that. Let's rally on rate cuts. Let's hope for bad news so the Fed will cut rates and we can use more leverage to drive stock prices higher, and that's why the market is rallying. But overall, the economy is not great with the news, manufacturing news, and so stocks want to go up regardless of the economy. When the economy's good, they cite the economy. When the economy's bad, they cite low interest rates. And so that's the update for today on the stock index portfolio. Big gain since the beginning of the month. We anticipated this run up since going into October. October can do this, and so we anticipated it. We were right, and you see the results here as we're pointing them out today.